How to get Quotex risk-free promo codes. Hi everybody, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're gonna learn how you can get the free promo codes for Quotex Risk. So without any delay, let's start with the video. But before beginning, don't forget to hit that like, share, and subscribe icon. So in order to get the Quotex Risk free promo codes, you may just open up your browser in either of your devices, either your laptop or your phone. After that, you may just open up a browser and quickly search for Quotex Risk promo codes, and then quickly search for Quotex Risk promo codes. After searching for it on the all section of that Google or any of the browser that you've searched it for, you'll be finding different kind of links here where you'll be able to get different kind of promo codes. So what you're going to do is simply head over to one of the links. I'm just going to go on this wetrip.com, or you may just go to any of the links that you want to go to. And here what you're going to do is simply look up for the link that is free, that gives you 100% off offer or something like that. And you're just going to scroll down until you're able to find those kind of promo codes. So right now we have this promo code of 50% bonus. So if you have more than that 100 or free anything, what you're going to do is simply copy the code and you're just going to go to the Quotex. After that, you may just apply the code in that, and you're just going to go on with the process of applying it. And after that, you should be able to use the Quotex promo codes for free. So therefore, just follow that method and you should easily be able to use the promo codes for Quotex freely. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.